Understanding Fighting Back Tears, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an emotional expression that you might have heard in English conversations, movies, or books: fighting back tears. Understanding such phrases is crucial for enhancing your emotional vocabulary in English. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you grasp its essence. Fighting back tears is a phrase used to describe a person's effort to prevent themselves from crying. It's a vivid expression that illustrates a battle against one's own emotions, showcasing a moment of vulnerability or emotional struggle. The word fighting implies resistance or an attempt to control one's feelings, while back tears suggests the tears are on the verge of falling but are being held in. This phrase can denote sadness, frustration, overwhelming joy, or any intense emotion that could lead to crying. This phrase is often used in storytelling, daily conversations, and in describing scenes in movies or books where a character is going through a tough or highly emotional moment. Here are some scenarios. Describing emotional restraint. When someone is trying not to cry in a situation where they want to appear strong or composed. Narrating a poignant moment, in stories or recounting events that are deeply moving or emotional. For example, despite the bad news, she was fighting back tears, determined not to show her disappointment. During the farewell speech, you could see him fighting back tears as he spoke about his memories. Understanding expressions like fighting back tears is key to mastering English, especially if you aim to be fluent and expressive. Such phrases enrich your language skills, allowing you to convey feelings and emotions accurately. They also enhance your comprehension when encountering emotional content in English literature or media. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of fighting back tears. Emotional expressions are a beautiful part of the English language, and mastering them can significantly improve your communication skills. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to express your feelings in English. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about connecting and empathizing with others through words. Happy learning!